Enigma of the Skies, an analytical exploration of unexplained mysterious phenomena, sightings, and UFO/UAP cases in 2025 to 2026. The years 2025 and 2026 have marked a key resurgence in public and scientific discourse surrounding unexplained mysterious phenomena, particularly unidentified flying objects, UFOs, or unidentified anomalous phenomena, UAP. What was once relegated to the fringes of conspiracy theories has entered mainstream conversations, driven by declassified government documents, whistleblower testimonies, and a massive surge in civilian reports. Organizations such as the National UFO Reporting Center, NUFORC, and Enigma Labs have documented thousands of sightings, with emerging patterns around nuclear sites, coastal waters, and military installations.
This video provides an in-depth analysis of the top 10 recent news themes on these topics, integrating relevant additional materials, historical parallels, scientific perspectives, and detailed examples. We explore explanations ranging from advanced human technology to extraterrestrial hypotheses, interdimensional theories, and natural misidentifications. The analysis avoids unfounded speculation, but highlights substantiated claims that challenge our understanding of reality, emphasizing the need for transparency amid national security concerns.
1. Russian UFO files and close encounters with nuclear weapons, historical echoes and modern implications. Declassified or highlighted Russian archives in 2025, discussions detail UFO interventions in nuclear systems, including a near-launch incident during the Cold War. These accounts, similar to US cases like the 1967 Malmstrom AFB blackout, suggest that UAP exhibit interest in humanity's most destructive technologies. Detailed analysis reveals patterns. Multiple witnesses describe craft disabling missiles, as in the 1982 Ukrainian incident, where a UFO hovered over a silo, causing temporary system failures. Additional 2025 materials include Fox News coverage of sightings linked to nuclear facilities in Iran and grid-like patterns over bases in Germany and Belgium, mirroring those in the US Midwest in 2019-2020. Examples abound. 2025 X-posts detail UAP patterns near nuclear sites. Skeptics attribute these to drone tests or atmospheric phenomena, but proponents argue for non-human intelligence, NHI surveillance, citing consistent deactivation behaviors. From plasma physics, electromagnetic interference is explained, but intentional maneuvers, silent hovering and radar evasion defy conventional technology. This raises ethical questions. Do they represent a threat or a safeguard? The rise in reports in 2025 per NUFORC underscores the need for international data sharing.
2. Mysterious lights over Alamogordo, New Mexico, January 2, 2026. Local anomalies and hotspots. On January 2, 2026, Alamogordo residents reported bright lights moving in the night sky, speculated to be alien craft or tests from Holloman Air Force Base. Investigations point to a likely exhaust plume from a SpaceX Falcon 9 launch from Vandenberg, carrying the Cosmos SkyMed satellite. But the event fueled speculation due to New Mexico's history, e.g. Roswell 1947. Additional local news details highlight the lack of official explanation, amplifying the mystery amid the 2025 sighting boom. Comparatively, Washington leads in reports, over 7,600 per NUFORC, including similar lights near military zones. January 2026 X-posts describe shape-shifting UFOs in South Carolina, from disks to orbs, reflecting Alamogordo's erratic movements. Scientifically, atmospheric optics, such as sprites or jets, explain some, as in a 2025 Japanese compilation of over 20 giant jets. However, pilot reports with radar confirmation suggest something more. Analytically, these cluster in hotspots like the Southwest, possibly tied to geomagnetic anomalies or secret tests, blurring lines between natural and artificial.
3. Surge in UAP encounters reported by pilots. Aviation safety and global standards. Americans for Safe Aerospace recorded over 700 UAP reports from pilots in 2025, the highest to date, continuing into 2026 with calls for global reporting standards. This includes high-altitude anomalies interfering with flights, such as the 2025 spinning light in Ireland with radar detection. Additional examples: a 2025 Australian X video shows orbs interacting and emerging from water, with radar verification ruling out aircraft. Historical parallels include Captain Ray Bowyer's 2007 sighting of massive cigar-shaped objects. Analytically, these pose aviation risks. FAA temporary restrictions in the US Northeast in 2025 due to swarms highlight this. Skeptics cite drones, but pilots describe transmedium capabilities, air-water. NASA's 2025 UAP study emphasizes sensor data, though disclosure bottlenecks persist. This marks a paradigm shift, from dismissal to demands for global protocols, potentially revealing advanced adversarial technology, or NHI.
4. Luminous objects in pre-Sputnik. Astronomical surveys. Archival evidence of long-term presence. Dr. Beatriz Villaruel's 2025 analysis of pre-1957 astronomical plates revealed artificial-appearing luminous objects, challenging terrestrial origins. These cold cases suggest prolonged non-human monitoring. Additional materials. 2025 NUFOARC reports of octahedrons, where 8-sided craft appear in Michigan forests, linking to historical 1950s flying saucer shapes. Examples include the 1981 Trans-en-Provence landing, leaving physical traces analyzed as non-terrestrial. Analytically, archival data contradicts recent technology theories. Quantum physics perspectives, interdimensional travel, fit erratic appearances. Skeptics invoke lens flares, but multiplate consistency argues otherwise. This reinforces persistent surveillance theories, aligning with the 2025 documentary, The Age of Disclosure.
5. High strangeness cases, blurring lines between UFOs and the paranormal. Revisited in 2026, cases like Cash Landrum, 1980, radiation from a diamond-shaped craft, and Rendlesham Forest, 1980, time distortions, exemplify high strangeness, phenomena defying simple categorization. 2025 examples: the Buga, Columbia metallic sphere, dated 12,560 years via resin, with levitation and energy fields. UNAM analysis reveals internal chips. Parallels with biblical accounts like Ezekiel's wheels within wheels, interpreted as UFOs by Eric von Däniken, add depth. Analytically, they suggest consciousness-altering effects. 2025 Zimbabwe poltergeist-like behaviors in sightings imply interdimensional origins. Skeptics cite psychological factors, but physical evidence, radiation burns, demands interdisciplinary study, unifying UFOs with other paranormal fields.
6. USO clusters and submarine anomalies. The submerged frontier. 2025, Enigma Labs data show over 9,000 USO, unidentified submerged objects, reports near U.S. coasts, with orbs emerging from the ocean, hotspots in California and Florida. Additional details: viral videos of green underwater lights linked to Navy security warnings. Examples: a pulsating light in San Ana, El Salvador in 2025, fixed but intermittent, ruling out satellites. Historical USOs like Shag Harbor, 1967, parallel these, suggesting aquatic bases. Analytically, transmedium capabilities defy physics. Oceanographers propose bioluminescence, but military radar detections argue artificiality. This expands UAP scope, urging underwater monitoring amid 2025's coastal surge.
7. Drone swarms and East Coast mysteries. Unresolved intrusions. Drone-like swarms from late 2024-2025 over nuclear sites and properties remain unexplained in 2026. Additional 2025 reports: over 100 incidents in New Jersey, silent shape-shifting craft near arsenals. X threads describe morphing orbs, evoking plasma theories. Analytically, they mimic Cold War Foo Fighters. Cybersecurity experts suspect foreign drones, but duration defies batteries. NBC coverage highlights urgency, merging with broader UAP narratives. 8. Spinning light in Ireland and radar anomalies. International high-altitude events. A 2025 Irish pilot captured a gas-emitting spinning light with radar confirmation, adding to European waves. Additional, a UK mockumentary inspired by 2024 lights blurs fiction and reality. Examples, 2025 PSNI Orange Triangle. Analytically, radar data strengthens cases. Atmospheric scientists cite sprites, but pilot expertise contradicts this. This fosters transatlantic collaboration, as in 2025's military tracking PR-018.
9. UAP resurgence at Vandenberg Space Force Base, whistleblowers and disclosure. The 2025 documentary The Age of Disclosure revives Vandenberg sightings, with military testimonies of luminous squares in 2003. Additional, Buzz Aldrin's alleged moon-following UFO per James Fox. Examples, CIA whistleblower John Kiriaku's personal sighting. Analytically, September 2025, whistleblower protections accelerate transparency, challenging cover-up narratives and possibly revealing reverse-engineered technology. 10. 2025 UFO reporting boom and unsolved mysteries, orbs, triangles, and octahedrons. Newfork recorded over 2,000 sightings in the first half of 2025, including orbs, triangles, and octahedrons near nuclear sites. Additional, December 2025, Indiana spike tied to security initiatives. Examples, 2026 Pilbara, Australia triangular UFO. Analytically, the boom reflects app-based reporting. Diverse shapes suggest multiple origins. 2025 unsolved mysteries like a UFO surviving a missile amplify intrigue.
Conclusion. The UAP surge in 2025-2026 transcends isolated incidents, weaving a global tapestry of anomalies demanding rigorous analysis. From nuclear interferences to submarine orbs, patterns hint at intelligent phenomena, whether human, NHI, or natural. Historical contexts enrich understanding, while whistleblowers and documentaries drive momentum. However, obstacles persist, as noted in 2025 reviews. Future implications include aviation reforms, scientific paradigm shifts, and societal changes. As sightings grow, the quest for truth continues, reminding us the universe may be far stranger than we imagine.